Hey everyone, welcome back to chatgpt TV. Today, we're diving into one of the most stunning autumn experiences in Tokyo Meiji-jingu, Guyon's famous Ginkgo Avenue. If golden leaves, calm autumn breezes, and breathtaking scenery are your thing, then you're in for a treat. Let's jump right into it. Right from the moment you enter this area, you're greeted with this incredible stretch of towering ginkgo trees, all transformed into a glowing yellow tunnel. It honestly feels like the whole street has been dipped in gold. These trees stand tall and proud, forming a perfect archway over the walkway. And when the sunlight hits just right, the entire avenue lights up. It's like stepping into a fantasy world. As you walk further down, you can hear the satisfying crunch of the fallen leaves beneath your feet. Families are out strolling, couples taking romantic photos, and kids running around trying to catch the falling leaves. Everywhere you look, there's this warm, gentle energy that makes you want to slow down and just appreciate the moment. One of the coolest things about Ginkgo Avenue is how it becomes a photographer's paradise during this season. You'll spot people with tripods, phones, and cameras from every angle because honestly, you can't take a bad picture here. Every corner, every path, every cluster of leaves is like its own artwork. If you're into photography or simply love capturing beautiful memories, this place will keep your camera busy for hours. Along the avenue, you'll also find cozy spots to sit down, relax, and just take it all in. Some people bring warm drinks, others come with sketchbooks to draw, and some just sit quietly, breathing in the crisp autumn air. The vibe is peaceful but still full of life, which makes this spot perfect, whether you want a calm break or some fun outdoor exploration. And depending on the day, you might find seasonal stalls or small cafes nearby offering snacks, roasted treats, or warm drinks. Nothing beats sipping something hot while watching golden leaves gently fall around you. What's amazing is how this avenue remains beautiful whether you're here for a quick stroll, a long walk, or even just to sit and people watch. The golden trees stretch endlessly, and the deeper you go, the more magical it becomes. It's easy to understand why this place is one of Tokyo's top autumn destinations. It's not just a walkway, it's an experience. If you're visiting Tokyo during autumn, or even if you live here and haven't been yet, make sure Meiji-jingu Ginkgo Avenue is on your list. It's refreshing, it's stunning, and it captures the spirit of Japanese autumn perfectly. Thank you so much for joining me on today's autumn adventure. If you enjoyed this walk through Tokyo's Golden Tunnel, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss any of the amazing spots we explore here on chatgpt TV. Until next time, stay adventurous, and see you in the next video.